What's up, guys? This is Tenikca from Hits with the Misses, and today I have our homeschool school supply haul. James and I went together and did all of our school supply shopping.
And I also got a marshmallow dream bar, and I had apple cider. And
we made a day out of it, and they had a great time. And he is helping me with this video. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we went to Target,
Dollar Tree,
Walmart, and Walmart. We did go to Ross for water bottles, but it was a bust. So, all right. So we have Target first. We got folders. I don't know if you guys have seen all the blog posts, but our Y has a homeschool program. I teach in it. My kids are going for a full day on Tuesday, so we got lots of folders, and these are my favorite. They're plastic pockets and prongs. So we only needed 4 for the program, but I grabbed an extra 2 for us here at home. Okay, what's next?
Glue stuff and paint stuff.
Okay, so James has one. Jude needed a watercolor set. For the...
Okay, sorry, I forgot.
Oh, okay. Is there more glue? Okay,
No.
Glue, no. And then glue sticks. Yeah. All right. No, wait. Let's finish Target first.
Target.
Oh, okay. This is for me. So if you don't know, I am an Enneagram 6, so I think and plan and prepare a lot. And so their keepsakes from year to year are in a couple different binders. And I was just like, oh no, like if we need to like do an emergency evacuate, I need to be able to grab or tell someone to grab one thing and then like keep it close to our like important document situation. Enter this. That's why I got this. All right, what's next?
Baby wipes from Target.
Yes, because we were doing a lot more crafting and hours dried out. So these are just great for wonderful, good.
Next up in Walmart.
Did we finish Target?
Nope.
Okay, let's finish. Okay, I'm coming right out of
that. And the receipt.
Okay, and the receipt.
Can I help you?
Nope, you may not. The manipulative cases, pencils, and more pencils. I'm sure you've seen this before, but yes, these are our favorite. They last forever. Like literally, unless they get lost, they last. Okay. These are from Walmart, and we are going to be using these for our like anatomy journal, logs, all of that stuff.
Next up, this. What is that?
This is colored printer paper. It is in the neon print. And I will show you probably on Instagram. And so if you're not following, link below how we're going to use this. Okay, are we in Dollar Tree now, bud?
Dollar Tree.
Or is there... Yeah, no, everything from Walmart. Okay, so...
Walmart! No.
This is Dollar Tree. Oh.
Dollar Tree.
Yeah, so we got
more Walmart.
No, that's Dollar Tree too. Can I see that green pencil case?
Now we have a green pencil case.
Okay, so I asked them if they wanted a bag or this for like all their art supplies for the Y, and they wanted these. And so I have a label maker. I also have vinyl, so we'll decide, how we're gonna personalize it. And then
we're also gonna have a what was it again?
I don't know. But I got this extra one, and then this is Jude's. This is yours, right, James? This is more for celebration seasons and for me, but so we got My assistant literally just ran away. So the help situation I had is now gone. These are my favorite pencil grips. These have not been in Dollar Tree since 2018, y'all. 2018. I have not seen these in or at least my Dollar Trees, okay? So I thought I got 2 of these. If I didn't, I'm gonna be really sad. More double-sided tape. Oh no. Y'all, I only got 1. I have to run back. Okay. No, these were $1 at the Dollar Tree. So yes, I got 2. We also got these for just some brain breaks, you know, stuff like that. Okay, we got this. Hear me out. So James said he didn't want like a planner and he didn't want to like write down what he did. Instead, he wanted like a checklist to know what to get done. So I'm gonna create the checklist and then put it in here. So it's what? Dry erase. All right, last but certainly not least, these were 50 cents. So I did, you know, a drive up order when they were on sale. I didn't know how long it was going to last. I have not used this brand for like markers. Also got color pencils. But I have used this, like, they have like craft kits and stuff like that. And acrylic paint that I have not had any issue with. So we got these for our days. And we did not complete our list. So I made it like a little Sunday with James. This back to school printable, it's down below. Free download. And, you know, we went, he checked off what we got. And then what we didn't get, we will just try and find when we can. Like, we need a couple more scissors for them. And wet erase markers. That was really hard to find. We decided we were going to tie-dye our own pencil pouches for like when we're car schooling and stuff like that. But other than that, y'all, that's it. That's all I got. So that is our school supply haul. And stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Talk later. Bye.